In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can add an image to a frame in Canva. Now, quite often people will talk about adding images to shapes in Canva, but actually what they're really meaning is adding an image to a frame. Take, for example, the template you see on screen here, which has this female in some yellow and blue clothes sitting on top of what looks like a circular shape. Now, in fact, if I was to delete this image, you'll see it's in fact a circular frame. The way that frames work is you add the frame, then you can drop your image into the frame and it will basically crop out anything outside of the frame, not display that, and keep your image inside the frame. And frames come in all different shapes and sizes. To illustrate the main difference between a frame and a shape and how they work, if I add a new page, this time I'm going to go to the Elements tab, and inside Lines and Shapes I'm going to choose a circular shape. And you'll see I can resize the shape, I can move it around, I can click inside and add some text, I can change its colour, I can add a little border to this. But the difference is if I try to grab a photo and add it, you'll see instead of snapping to the shape and filling the background of the shape and then cropping it, it doesn't allow me to do that. So the best I could really achieve here would be to having the image sit inside the shape, which in some cases you might want to do. But if I want that image to assume the whole shape, then what I need to do is go to Elements, and then I need to scroll down to Frames. And if I click See All, you'll see there's quite a variety of different frames available. I'm just going to add the standard circular one. And now you'll see if I go back to Photos and drag the same image across, it's going to snap into that frame, crop out any image points around the frame, and leave me with just a nice image sitting inside the frame. Of course, I can still use the crop options, I can still resize, I can move it around until I'm happy, but that's a big difference between a shape and a frame. So if you're looking to add an image to a shape in Canva, what you're actually looking to do is add an image to a frame in Canva, and that way you can crop it out and you can have an image that looks like this.